Here we have approximately 450 square feet of QuickStep laminate flooring. Colossia is the style. It's a 9-inch wide plank by 6 foot long profile. And we just installed this in the basement area. And we are going to continue with this up in the kitchen area. So this is the first phase of this project, and we will continue with the same material up in the kitchen. And this is the kitchen area here. We'll be installing the same laminate. We have this carpet that's glued down right now, and we need to rip this out, prep the floor, and start the installation of the laminate up in the kitchen area. And here we have the kitchen underway, partially completed, of QuickStep laminate Colossia. It's a 9-inch by 6 foot long plank. And here's the kitchen completely finished. All the matching moldings, quarter round moldings in the whole kitchen area. So this completes this project with the basement with the same material. So if you want to see additional videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery, check out other videos, and while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.